Hey, Cade Courtley here, former Navy SEAL with 4Patriots. Now, as you can imagine, during my time in the SEAL teams, I found myself in some pretty harrowing situations. But it wasn't my body that got me through it, it was my mind. I learned early on that the brain is the strongest muscle in the body and enabled me to go to places physically I had no idea I could. That's why I want to discuss mental preparation. The first one I want to talk about is emergency conditioning. Basically, it is a visualization exercise. So imagine what you would do if the smoke alarms went off, or if somebody kicked in your front door at 2 a.m. for a home invasion. You can go through and you can say to yourself, all right, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try and contact somebody, I'm gonna get my kids, the kids are gonna go to this window or this door. You can visualize all of that and make your own mental movie for any kind of life-threatening situation at home. The next step is called rehearsal. So you take that mental movie of how you're going to deal with a potential life-threatening situation and you reenact it. Visualization, rehearsal, and then congratulations, you are as mentally prepared to deal with it when it happens. Now, I cover these topics even more in my book, SEAL Survival Guide, a Navy SEAL's Secrets to Surviving Any Disaster. Check it out and be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival videos as soon as they're released. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. This is Cade, out.